Howdy folks, welcome to Happy Trails Hiking. Kay and I are pleased to announce that we have a new addition to the channel. Welcome to the Forest River Flagstaff A-frame camper. We'll start the tour at the back of the camper, which is actually on the left as you walk in. I'm seated between two twin beds, and what's interesting is that you can actually make this into a king bed. Underneath this mattress are the components necessary to put something in the middle to turn it into a king. So that's a really nice feature that we like. Also, we have heating and cooling that runs off of shore power. I'm currently standing in the middle of the trailer with very tall ceilings. I can't reach the top at all, which is fantastic. Right here next to the door, we have the microwave, and in the same island, we have controls for the entertainment center and controls for the HVAC center, along with a little bit of storage underneath. On the opposite side is the kitchen with the small sink, 3-burner stove, and 3-way refrigerator, AC, DC, and propane. At this point, we're in the dinette area. Obviously a lot of room here. I'm kind of relaxed and we could easily fit another person here. Underneath me is the heater, which runs off of propane and the fan can be powered by the battery. We've also got the fuse box, and there's an electrical outlet here as well. Also, this is an A-frame, but I've got a dormer above me, so I'm roughly 6 foot tall and I can stand up without hitting my head on this end. So now we come to one of the more interesting features for a small camper, which there is actually a flush toilet here. This is probably the only time you'll see us talk about a flush toilet in a video, but we think it's a cool thing to have.
We are really excited about adding this RV to our Happy Trails hiking family, and we hope that you're looking forward to joining us on this new adventure.
We'd like to extend a big thank you to Dacus and Brian and Matt here at Colman's Country Campers in Hartford, Illinois. We literally hammered Dacus with questions for over an hour this morning, and he never missed a beat.
Until next time, this is Kay and Matt from Happy Trails Hiking. Thanks for watching.